What are we getting ready to do?
Frog hunting.
Is that your net?
Yep.
And this is mine?
Yep.
What a deal. Are you going to show me how to do this? How big was it? You're not going to be a frog hunter, are you? Right here, right behind that one. Emmy, right where my fingers point. Right behind that one. He's hiding. Come over here a little bit more. Another one. Hold on.
We're catching another one after this. Quick, quick, quick. No, 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 no. Hold it. There, now let's go catch another one. Leave it here for now.
It's raining.
I know.
We'll call that good for today.
I know where other ones are.
We're back out here again. She doesn't want to give it up. Emmy, how much do you like frog hunting?
No, right there, right there.
A lot, as you can tell.
I got him! I got him. I got him. I can't believe got another frog. Yeah. And then let's go
I see
one
that
more.
one.
There's one.
That one's bigger.
We have to get at least two more. At least two
No,
more.
we're done. It's raining.
Just one more?
Say bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
He's just hanging out up here waiting.
First one.
Hold on, let me help you. Don't lift it up too much. Don't lift it up that much. Shake him out.
He's out. He's out. He's out. Now, get ready to close it. He's a fast one.
It's hard one-handed.
Yeah. Ha ha ha. Hey. You okay?
Don't shake him. Let's see him.
They're piggyback riding. No. And it actually says frogs.
What are we going to do with them?
We're going to eat them.
No. They're our pets.
We can't eat them. They're good.
Bubba's laughing.
Bubby, look.
They taste like chicken, just better.
Bubby.
They're better than...
Emmy, what do we do when you lose power?
Take a shower in the rain.
And
Wash up.
and frog hunting?
Yeah. That's how you take a shower in the rain, my friends.